News tonight. Poor appraisal, but $2.7 million performance incentive. PAC digs deeper into Petrojam former HR boss's earnings. Cabinet shakeup. Person of interest held in connection with murder of East Portland MP.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Later in the newscast, Herman Green will have our business report.
But for the moment, Jermaine Brown, the latest in sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, child sexual and physical abuse cases are under the microscope. Much on this to come.
There's also sports, commentary, and E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, are you satisfied with the Prime Minister's choice of Favour Williams as the new Minister of Energy, Science and Technology?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after this break.